Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, do share my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my waste wooden ply. There are nails and markings and all of that. To hide them, I'm using the POP mixing with the water to filling the holes and all the holes what are there in the middle or on the corners to give it a flat surface. We are going to fill on the side also. After filling the gaps and all, I'm coloring the bottom with the white color. I'm using divided with the tape, coloring the white on the corners also. And now I am applying the black color on the upper part of the wooden plate. Once both the color get dry, I will apply golden metallic color. First I applied white because on white when we apply metallic color, it gives more shining and it look better. So I applied white first and then gold metallic color. I don't want a straight look, so I'm giving a little up and down look with the gold metallic color. You can use that gold metallic color or pearl color. I'm going to apply golden color on the side of the wood too. After coloring on the side, now I'm giving just dry brushing strokes on the front of the frame. For painting butterfly, I'm using the stencil and applying the golden color with the help of the sponge. I'm just doing dabbing and painting butterfly that goes in the different direction. I want more of the black look, so I am making some changes. I am coloring the black again on the golden, giving the rough look. Just giving a rough look with the brush. Need to add some more butterflies. If you like my idea, Do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.